Right, assalamu alaikum everyone. So something really important has happened. Okay, something has already happened, and it's time that you might want to bite your nails just a little bit, because what just happened is not so good. It's not so good. And what I'm talking about is, after two videos previously, I've made two videos on this coin, and today's like the third day straight in a row. And this is what happened. You're popping below the wedge, right? And that is not a good sign. So if we go and zoom out of everything, you have your trend lines, you have whatnot, and at the moment it's breaking below the trend line. Okay, I'm just going to try to take the trend line as perfectly as possible. Now, if anyone who knows TA, right, should understand simple support and resistance. And if you're not here for the technical analysis, then my friend, you are at the wrong channel. This is not a channel for you. And those who are looking for patterns and what's happening with the coin, let's actually, let me give you proof. All right, don't attack me. I'm just a messenger. Okay, don't shoot me. Thing is, one support, move up, one support, move up, one support, move up, right? So that's pretty much the trend line going on there. All right, so in the future, you came down, one support, another support, right? And then you did it again. You had another support, and you had the opportunity to basically come up here. But here's the proof. Here's something I just want to put this right in front of you, because it's as clear as the moon that there is no any shadow of a doubt. You have broken that trend line, and you are turning that trend. You're failing the retest. It's turning. Whatever was support is now turning into a resistance. So whatever you do, be careful. If you end up somehow coming inside and moving up, and you end up closing like this will be a fake out, and you're not going to go to the downside. So if this does play out, and if this retest fails, right, and you don't go inside and start to push up above, then you are looking for a move to the downside, and you're going to have this technical target coming up, and that's going to be 1701. So be careful. I've just told you. I'm going to summarize again. Either you really pump inside and go above, that's okay, right? I cannot control that. These are whales who can actually buy and pump it up, then you're safe. But if the whales are going to sell this and dump their bags on you, then you have this thing coming down really badly. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you the next one in the office.